news coming in related to the RSS. Well, RSS has now raised an alert. This is regarding the Bengal infiltration, as they call it. They are saying that there are many people who have infiltrated and are living in West Bengal. They said that this process of infiltration and its impact, they say, is worrying. RSS is saying that this raises security problems for the Hindus that are living in Bengal. They are saying that a huge infiltrator presence has been detected in Bengal. So let's listen in to what the RSS Prachar Pramukh Sunil Ambedkar said during a press conference in Jodhpur.
और विचार लगातार बांग्लादेश की परिस्थिति जब से बदल गई है वर्तमान की घटनाओं के बाद, और उसके बाद उसका एक प्रभाव वहां पर भी आया है। वहां बड़ी संख्या में जो अवैध तरीके से घुसपैठी नागरिक वहां रहते हैं बंगाल में, और उनके द्वारा भी जो उपद्रव किए जा रहे हैं, और उनके तुरंत उसको रोकना अत्यंत आवश्यक है। हिंदुओं की सुरक्षा में बहुत सारी समस्याएं वहां पर आ रही है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के भी बहुत सारे प्रश्न वहां पर आ रहे हैं। तो इसके बारे में भी सबने चिंता व्यक्त की। समाज के ऐसे सभी लोगों के बीच में जाकर काम कर रहे हैं। वनवासी कल्याण आश्रम काम कर रहा है, अलग अलग जितने भी संगठन है वो भी काम कर रहे हैं, और सब लोगों ने ये बात के लिए विचार भी किया है कि लीगल तरीके से कई सारे कंप्लेंट्स भी फाइल की गई है। तो इन सब बातों पर लोगों ने अपने अपने अनुभव और विचार, चिंताएं बताई है, और उनके प्रयास जो चल रहे हैं उसके बारे में अपने आग्रह भी।
And joining us now from Jaipur is Dev Ankur Vadhavan. Ankur, do tell us, how has RSS been raising this issue? Because we have seen BJP focusing in certain states on what they say are infiltrator issue. And now in Rajasthan as well, this issue of West Bengal is being raised. Can you throw a little bit more light on this?
Well, clearly, Anjali, even in the past, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has raised the issue of religious conversions, mentioning that allegedly several of the groups have been trying to convert Hindus in various parts of the country, especially the members of the tribal community. But to give perspective to this entire thing, it is important to remember that elections are due in West Bengal next year, that is in 2026. And even earlier, the current Chief Minister of West Bengal, that is Mamata Banerjee, and the party she belongs to, that is Trinamool Congress, have been accused by members of the Sangh Parivar, the political outfit, that is the BJP, mentioning that the current dispensation in West Bengal had been turning a blind eye to harassments, atrocities against Hindus, and that there have been attempts of conversion in West Bengal, or rather oppression and atrocities being committed against members of the Hindu community. So given the perspective, given the fact that elections are due in West Bengal next year, this perhaps could be one attempt by the Sangh Parivar to create pressure on the West Bengal dispensation, trying to claim that there have been attempts at converting members of the Hindu community. And this meeting of the RSS, which had been going on in Jodhpur for the past several days, this matter was apparently raised over there, and this is something which Sunil Ambedkar, the Rashtriya Prachar Pramukh of the RSS, mentioned during the press conference in Jodhpur. Anjali?
Thank you, Dev, for all those details. So RSS now raising the issue of what they call infiltrators in West Bengal, and they're raising it in Jodhpur.